Once, a little bird in the forest dreamed of flying over the highest mountains, seeing the world beyond. He yearned for the vastness of the sky, but fear often kept him grounded. One day, a soft wind began to blow. It didn't push harshly, but gently lifted his small wings, whispering a silent invitation. He felt an unexpected lightness, a subtle encouragement to try. Trusting this unseen ally, the bird launched himself. The wind became his guide, carrying him effortlessly higher and further. He soared above the peaks, witnessing the breathtaking expanse he had only imagined. Returning home, his heart swelled with gratitude. He realized that sometimes, with a little help, new paths truly open. That gentle push from the wind had helped his own courage take flight and grow.